Hello my dear students, welcome back to Prudence Coaching English class. In this particular channel, you will get CBSC, ICSC and WBB SE solutions of all subjects. Students, we are going to learn how to solve these sums in this particular class. Before solving all these sums, I will give you some concept. By using that concept, very easily you can solve the sums. As you can see, here we have additive property. So first property is additive property because in the middle we have addition here. So let us see the property. So minus plus minus will give you sum will be plus. For example, if I take minus 5 plus minus 2, as you can see my dear students, here we have minus, next we have a plus, next we have minus. So this is the property which I have followed here. So the sum will be plus. That means we need to add the numbers here. So 5 and 2 will give you 7, that is 5 plus 2 7. Now sign will be of the bigger number. So here bigger number is 5. So before 5 as we have negative, so it will be negative 7. So our answer is minus 7. Similarly, let us understand the second property, that is plus 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 will give you plus. So let us take a number, that is plus 2 plus 5. Okay, I am taking 2 and 5 for your understanding only. So as you can see, we have 5 and 2 here. So here if you see the sign, we have plus, again we have plus, again we have plus. So you will do addition. So 5 plus 2 will be 7. And which sign you need to give? Sign of the bigger number. So here bigger number is 5. So here it will be plus 7 here. So my dear students, you must also know that if I write like this, that is plus 2 plus 5, this can be written as 2 plus 5. Why it can be written as 2 plus 5? Because if we give here plus 2, it is plus 2. But if we don't give any sign before 2, that means by default it is positive number. Similarly, if we give here plus 5, that means it is positive number. But if we don't give any sign before 5, that also means that it is a positive 5. Next property is minus plus plus. So let us see this. So we have minus 2 and we have plus 5. You can write only 5 also. Okay, now you see. So here the sum will be negative. So 5 minus 2, you will get what? You will get 3. And the sign of the bigger one is plus here. So your answer will be plus 3 here. Is it clear? Next property, we have plus 2 plus and we have a minus 5. So here if we want to follow, we are going to follow this property. So what will be the case here? Here the sum will be negative. So if we get a negative, then we will get 5 minus 2, that is 3. And always the sign will be the of the bigger number. Here bigger number is 5, so it is minus 3. Dear students, do you want to mug up all these things, means learn all these formulas? No need. Listen to me, what you will just learn. If the sign is same, as you can see here plus plus and here minus minus, that means sum will be positive. When the sign are different, that is here minus plus and here plus minus, then the sum will be negative. Okay, and sign will be always of the bigger number. Okay, so this is the conclusion. You will just remember this and solve all the sums very easily. You need not to mug up or learn all these things separately. Let us see the second property or the last property to solve this particular sums. So here if we have multiplication in between two signs, then it is a multiplication property. And in multiplication properties, the calculation will be always multiplication. And here we need to remember the sign. First let us see how this is working. And after that I will give you a conclusion of this formula or properties. As you can see, first one we have, if we take minus 2 into minus 5, then the sign will be positive. That means minus into minus will give you positive. So we have written positive, and 5 into 2 will be 10. So our answer is plus 10. Next one, if we see the next property, that is plus 2 into plus 5 here. So plus 2 into plus 5, as you can see, plus into plus will give you a positive sign. So here the sign will be positive and calculation will be 2 into 5, that is 10. So here also we are getting plus 10. Next one, as you can see, minus into plus will give you a negative sign. So here minus 2 into plus 5. So here the sign will be negative and answer will be 5 into 2, that is 10. So this is the answer. Next one, or the last property, plus into minus will give you minus. So if we take plus 2 into minus 5, okay, then calculation 5 into 2 you will get 10, but here we have plus and here we have minus, so the sign will be negative, so answer will be minus 10. Now students, how you are going to remember this property of multiplication? You will remember like this: whenever you will get two negative signs or two positive signs, or the sign will be same, okay, in the question, then in the answer also sign will be positive always, okay. If the sign is same in the question, then the answer sign will be positive. Next one, if the sign of the question are different, one is plus, another is minus, then in sign you will get a negative sign. So this is the ultimate thing which you need to solve all the sums. Now students, on your request we came up with the second part of this video. As you can see here, you need to fill in the blanks. So here you will start with the number A. So here minus 8 plus which number will give you 0? Before that, you should remember, if you have a number, say for example minus A, then you need to add a number so that you will get a 0. How you are going to do? You need to write here A. That means, for example, if you are given here minus 2, then you need to add 2 here, then only this minus 2 and plus 2 will get cancelled and you will get a 0. So here, as you can see, that positive number and the same negative number, if we add, we are getting 0. So similarly here you can write minus 8 which is given to you plus 8, because here we have minus 8, so positive of minus 8 will be 8 equals to 0. So here answer will be 8 or positive 8. Next one, as I have already explained you, that minus A plus A always gives you 0. So here, as you can see, here also we need to form 0, but we have been given here positive 13. Okay, now what should be added with positive 13 to get 0? So here it will be minus 13. So here within the bracket you will write the answer like this: 13 plus within the bracket minus 13 equals to 0. As positive sign is already given, so you need to write the negative, because by solving this you will ultimately get 13 and positive and negative within the bracket will give you minus. So minus 13 equals to 0. So here your answer will be minus 13 within the bracket. Next one. So here, as you can see, here we have been given 12 plus within the bracket minus 12. I think now it is clear to you that minus A plus A will give you 0. So here, as you can see, we have minus 12 and here we have a positive 12 which are added together. So here the answer will be 0. Next one. So here you can see that minus 4 is given to you. You need to add some number to minus 4 and ultimately you are going to get minus 12. So you need to guess the number. Before that, you just answer me one thing. Already we have minus and we need to get a minus, okay, which is bigger than minus 4. So what you will do? You know, minus plus minus will give you minus, isn't it? Sign will be minus here because both the signs are minus, so here negative sign will come. But here you need to find a number which is greater than 4, which is given to you. So if we add here, that is 12 minus 4, if you do, you are getting 8. Okay, and now if we add minus 8 with minus 4, what will happen? Minus, here also minus, here also minus, means same sign. So you will add, you will get here 12, and you need to give the sign of the bigger one, that is 8. So here the answer is minus 8. I think it is clear to you now. Now let us move on to the next one. Now as you can see, we have been given minus 15. Okay, and here we need to write a number so that it becomes minus 10. So here as you can see that minus 15, if you know the number line, then this is 0, and here all the numbers are negative, and here all the numbers are positive. So if here assume that if it is minus 10, then minus 15 will be here. Okay, means how much you will go this side, it will go on decreasing, and how much you will move towards the right side of 0, the numbers will go on increasing. Okay, so here as you can see, you need to make minus 10. How you are going to make minus 10 for minus 15? That means first you just notice the number. Here we have 15, it is becoming 10. Without this sign you just see the numbers. So you can see 15 is becoming 10, that means 15 is decreasing. So to decrease the number, as we have negative, that means we need to write the different sign. So let the sign be positive here, because negative and positive, then only you will get a number, difference of the number. Okay, so here positive. So now you think that if we deduct, how much number we are going to deduct from 15 to get 10? Here getting 5. So here answer will be 5 plus 5. Okay, because if you write this one negative, you need to bring this one positive, then only this number is going to decrease. If you have took minus 5 and if this was minus 15, then it would become 5 plus 15, 20, and negative sign would have come. But this is not required. You need to decrease this number here. I am not saying the sign. Leaving the sign, you just see the number. So here the answer will be positive 5. So my dear students, with this we come to the end of this particular video. If you find the content of this video helpful, then like, share, subscribe this channel. Also click on the bell icon to get regular update from this particular channel. Students, if you want tuition or if you want to directly contact with our expert faculties, then you must join our Telegram channel, and you can also contact us through the Facebook. I will give you the link in the description box. Thank you students. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.